What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, guys, right now I'll be reacting to Vanny Vabiola. Have you ever seen the rain? This cover was officially done by Stewart. So this was done 2 months ago, and I'm just getting the chance to listen to what she have to say here. So I want to hear my mind be blown away. I want to hear she lifts my spirit to somewhere I haven't been before. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into Vanny Vabiola's beautiful world. Peace. Have you ever seen the rain? I have, though, every day. This is marvelous. I just can't seem to get enough of her voice, bro. Like, it's way too amazing for me to take in. And when I heard her voice, I mean, like, I am astonished. I am thrilled with such elegance of beauty. There's no possible way that you can sit and you hear such peaceful, harmonious, one of the most melodious voices, and don't feel peaceful. She's for the people, bro. I don't know, about every time I sit and I listen to her voice, it gives me chills. It gives me a lot of emotions. It gives me a moment of my flashbacks. And I am really and truly touched by her voice, bro. She's very powerful when it comes down to singing and participating in music. Guys, sometimes the reason why I came by to listen to her music, I mean, like, I'm going through a lot. And I just wish someone could just, you know, hug me and to tell me that, hey, have you ever seen the rain before? I mean, like, I just need some of that momentum. I just need something to hold me and to tell me that don't give up, right? You can do this, right? I just need that, bro. And I'm not getting that lately. I'm not getting that lately. And I just need some of that, my G. Some comfort, bro. And when I heard her voice, my G, it's so good. It's like a beautiful beach, right? And a sunny day. And also a holiday. Oh, this is marvelous, bro. This is way too good to be true. And people literally look over her music and be like, she's just regular. No, bro. She's more than regular. She's important because she sings music for not just herself, but for people who are going through some tough times in life, bro, and I am not sure how to cope with this, but it's really difficult sometimes, bro, and I really want to take the time out to listen to her music keenly so I could feel alive. Yo, I am impressed. I am thrilled with joy, bro. I'm thrilled with elegance of love. I am thrilled with a lot of shockwave of beautification. My entire body is feeling connected to her voice. I'm not sure if she's anything like a bird, but the beautification of her voice is so chirping. Damn. Whoa. Whoa. Astonishing. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Guys, Vanny, lady, you are incredible. You are incredible. Trust me, you are incredible. Yo, yo, this is phenomenal, bro. This is phenomenal. This is mind blowing. Oh my god. Yo, yo. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. God bless her, bro. God bless her. Jesus, thank you so much for Vanny. She has moved something in my heart, and I'm thrilled with joy. I'm not healed as yet, but the process is taking place. So, guys, if you guys enjoy this reaction, subscribe, leave a like. Look, you guys don't have to subscribe if you guys don't like this reaction. It's totally fine. I'm just here for the music, right? And anyone who do sees this reaction as authentic, then smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and share this content to a friend from Indonesia, letting him or her know about the Jamaican react. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.